Filemob number 4. We're making an MMO from scratch, and this is the engine. And then in our background, this is a zoom out of that same engine. Let's look at the code we've added so far. So in the Filemob PNG wrappers, we have been editing the pixel array to binary array function. We need to add another variable for the output number of used bytes in the output parameter here. So how many used bytes are going to be in this output parameter? That's here. Then we need to call the UPNG encode with the pixel array in square braces, the width and height in pixels, and then 0 for lossless. We have all these other variables here because we need to copy over the memory into the output parameter and then immediately delete this trash me binary array that we got from upng.encode. And then also we're going to set the length right here before we exit this scope. So we have this scope here and these temporary variables here so that we can try to mitigate the damage from the garbage collector. Then down here, we're going to make sure that that output number of bytes is greater than or equal to 42. If it's not, we probably don't have a PNG binary file of a 512 by 512 bitmap. And then we will return the output binary array here. The call site for the use PNG encoder right here within, where are we? We're within the Filemob local save function. We've modified the call site a little bit. So now this function returns the number of used bytes. So this is the input pixel array. This is the output parameter binary array. This output parameter always has 512 times 512 times 4 bytes, but we don't always use all those bytes. So we need this variable to track how many used bytes there are. And you can see the number of bytes variable we've added right here, and then we modified the formatting here and modified the tag here. So that's all we did in this video. And what we did previously are footnotes and more footnotes down here, and then what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you're gonna have to go here. We don't have time here. Here's where you are. Source code here. Email me here. You, my friend, have been on video number 364. Like, subscribe, send money.